Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at one of those important coin that is about to be launched. Let's see how we can farm this coin to make a massive profit before the launching date. So all you just need to do on this today's class, we'll be going to use Binance. So you need to have a verified Binance account. And before I dive into the lecture for the night, if this is your first time coming across to my channel, do well to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that it can go viral, so that a lot of people can find value from this content. So after you have your verified Binance account, I'm gonna going to come to your menu here. If you come to your menu, you're gonna going to locate your launch pool. This is the launch pool. You click on the launch pool and see what's there for you. Wow. So we have the dogs. The dogs now is the talk of the town. A lot of people have mined this very coin, are waiting for the launch in order for them to catch out. And meanwhile, we can still mine this coin like right away before the listing date. You can see this. What is it? It's currently on what? Ongoing. If you look at these very places, you can see the total airdrop. This highly free airdrop. Then you can see the project durations, which is this, and you can see the ends. When will the project ends, which is this. That is, the project is going to end 1 day, 2 hours, and 33 minutes, right? So if you are looking for a place to make money on Binance without trading cryptocurrency, then this video is for you. All right. So the next thing that we are going to do is to click on this ongoing dogs airdrop farming. Let's see where exactly is navigating us to. Click on it. If you click on it, it will bring you to this very amazing interface. What do you need to do here? All you just need to do here is to lock some of your fund here for farming. You lock your USDT for farming. But let's see what are those criteria for this dog farming, for this dogs farming. All right, the criteria here says you must have to secure a BNB because this is a BNB pool, or you secure FDUSD. Is that correct? You can look at this place to see the project info. If you already have the BNB or you have the FDUSD already, just come to this place to click on purchase. Okay, so since my do not have available BNB or FDUSD, then it's taking me to peer-to-peer transactions, of which I'm not ready for that right now. So all you just need to do is to click on this purchase. If you click on this purchase, then it will take you to an interface whereby you can just confirm and everything will be okay. So the moment is confirmed here, you will now click on this place to be locked. Then here will be locked. All right. As I stated, this is the total airdrop, this is the total days, and this is the total number of days left. Okay. And this very project is currently ongoing. Dive into that quickly now to be among the lucky ones. And if you do not have USD or BNB, it's very simple. All you just need to do is to go to the peer-to-peer transaction to get FDUSD or to get BNB. And if you cannot just go to spot to buy, You can just as well go quickly to convert. You can as well convert your coin. You can go to this place to look for BNB to buy, which this is the BNB. You can get some BNB to buy, unlock, or you can as well go to look for FDUSD. You can as well go to look for FDUSD to buy, unlock as well. Okay, so just quickly dive into this and be among the lucky ones. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be stopping here for the night for today. If you do have any question, do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. I will also drop my community link. You can join so that we can keep interacting. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.